All right, good evening, good afternoon, Kipster. Good to see you all. We are on to our next sense, one of our five senses. We've talked about hearing, we've talked about sight and seeing, we've talked about smell in with our nose, and we've talked about touch with our hands on our skin. Okay, now we're going to do to our other one that we have not talked about is taste, our sense of taste, and we use our mouth, our tongue, and the roof of our mouth to help us with our sense of taste. Here we go. Let's get right into the video.
Smile and learn.
Today, we're going to learn about the sense of taste. Have you noticed how salty this popcorn is? Or how sour this lemon is? Why do foods taste differently? All this is possible thanks to the sense of taste. The sense of taste allows us to identify and learn how foods taste. The tongue is the sensory organ responsible for tasting. The tongue is covered with bones called taste buds, also known as papillae, in charge of collecting information about different tastes and send it to the brain through the taste nerves. There are different types of taste buds grouped in separate parts of the tongue. The basic tastes that taste buds are able to identify are five: sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and umami. That's it, you heard it right. Umami is the word we use to refer to incredibly delicious foods. The taste buds for sweet are on the tip of the tongue. The salt buds are on either side of the tongue. And the bitter taste buds are in the center of the back of the tongue, near the throat. The umami buds are in the middle of the tongue. The sour buds are located on either side and lower part of the tongue. There are many hints of flavors and savors produced by combining these five basic tastes. Did you know that the sense of taste and hearing communicate? That's why when we have a cold, food doesn't taste as good as it normally does. How interesting, right? Imagine eating this fruit. When we put it in our mouth, chemical substances in the apple communicate with the taste buds on the tongue. The taste buds transmit this information to the brain through the taste nerves. The brain is in charge of recognizing the type of taste and decide whether we like what we're tasting or not. Yum, this apple is so sweet. I love it. Yikes, this lemon is so sour. I don't like it at all. We experience taste differently. That's why, even though one group of people may like the same food, another totally dislikes it. The sense of taste also helps to protect our health from foods that have gone bad. If these foods don't taste right, our brain will send signals to stop eating them. The sense of taste is amazing and essential for life. Don't you think so?
All right, awesome job. And a good point in the video is remember, just like with hearing and people are sensitive to different sounds, we have to be sensitive to people's taste buds because some people might think like the ice cream cone over here. Some people might say, oh, I love vanilla ice cream. Oh, it's so good. Some people be like, oh, I can't eat vanilla. I have to, chocolate is my favorite. Okay. And that's okay. We all have different taste buds. We all taste different things and have different likes and dislikes. And that's okay. Some things are going to taste nastier. Some things are going to taste really good. Sometimes you might not like it when you're a kid, but then as you get older, you actually start to like something. I never liked avocados when I was younger. Now I love avocados. I like to mix them up and make my own guacamole. So it's really kind of cool how just because you try something, you're like, oh, this is really nasty when you're younger, you might actually grow up and actually like it and start eating it a lot more as you get older. Okay. So it's been great to see you all. That was our sense of taste. Okay. We've got our other four that you will catch in the other videos. It's been a great night. Good to see you all. Have a great night and be safe. And we will talk to you in the next video. Have a great night.